So we're here at Camping World in Fresno to get a little work done on the rig. Had a little problem with the generator and needed toilet replaced. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. Yeah, so this is what you do when your RV's in the shop and it's your home. You get to stay in a hotel in lovely Fresno.
Hold on 1 second. This is all our stuff for 1, maybe 2, maybe 3 nights. Look at all
Drone, skates, cooler. This is life on the road. Here we go. We're at the Piccadilly Hotel. Woohoo! Never heard of it, but whatever. Let's do it. It's always an adventure. Positive mind, positive vibes. Okay. If you see my RV, this is not my style of decorations. Let's do it. So it's night number 2 of the RV being at Camping World. It's done. They're going to have to order some parts, but we definitely changed hotels because we were staying in a complete dive. So, yay for the upgrade and finding a better part of Fresno to stay in. So, yep, we're here for the night. We're cool with it. Just going to stay. Oh, normalcy.
Come on the door.
Much more our style. Woohoo! Till we're moving on up. So today we're picking up our Keystone Fusion 427 from Camping World in Fresno. We've spent a couple days here and it's been fine. They've done their diagnostic testing and ordered us a few parts. One thing about the RV world that people need to understand that we had to learn is that each part of your rig is done by separate companies pretty much. So if they have to order a part, then they have to contact the vendor and they order the part and then they send it back out. So you just have to be patient. We know the routine now, so it's not a big deal. We don't have a lot of repairs to do. It's just really just basic small little things. So we're pleased about our experience. We absolutely love our Fusion 427 and yeah, we can't wait to get back on the road. We'll probably pass back through here on our way out of California, so things that we need fixed are not major whatsoever. So anyway, yeah, so we're off for another adventure. Parents Unleashed.